Hello，各位爸爸媽媽，大家好啊！我係 Miss Carol，一個香港幼稚園嘅英文老師。今日我想同大家分享一個幾得意嘅經歷。通常咧，每年嘅學期頭，好多班主任咧都會走嚟問我，Miss Carol，呢個小朋友嘅英文名點樣讀啊？老實講，好多時候我都未必第一時間去答到佢哋㗎。我通常會上網去查一查。有時我會發覺有啲英文名有幾個讀音㗎噃，點解會咁樣呢？因為有啲英文名其實唔係英文嚟㗎，佢哋係來自其他嘅語言。我哋睇下呢一啲例子，我哋就知㗎啦。
Evan,
Evan,
of Irish origin. Sean.
Renee,
This is a name indeed of French origin, René. René. This is the feminine version of the name or the female version because there's two E's at the end. If you remove the last one, then that becomes the male or masculine version of the name.
如果我聽到有幾個版本，我真係唔肯定小朋友嗰個名係點樣讀，我會最終用最尊重嘅方法同班主任講，不如我哋直接問翻家長啦。所以各位家長，如果你哋發覺小朋友嘅老師走嚟問你佢嘅英文名點樣讀啊，你唔好覺得奇怪喎，你大方咁樣教翻我哋就得㗎啦。今次我嘅分享就到呢度為止，我哋下次見，拜拜。